Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans, and Where the Heck Are the Albans? We're at home right now, and we are continuing our Advent Calendar Palooza. So, on the 14th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me Disney Storybooks.
Okay, so here it is, the Disney Storybook Collection Advent Calendar. Features brand new content. So, inside,
woo,
look at this.
This is huge.
That is awesome. It looks like a great big package. So, each one of these contains a storybook. So, let's open them up and see what all the storybooks are. So, we're going to start up here with number one, Viv.
Right, the one's right here.
Okay.
So, I'm going to take on that out.
Oh, it slides open. I see. It's like envelopes. And the winner is
101 Dalmatians.
All right, open that up. Let's just see how, flip through it. Oh, so I mean, it's like a full-fledged book.
Well, what do you think it was?
No, but I mean, it's
story.
like small print, so it's like a full-fledged story.
Do you see that paragraph?
That's very cool. Okay. All right, so 101 Dalmatians.
Okay, two's down here.
Two.
Two's right down here. I bet it's going to be frozen.
I say Pinocchio.
Mulan!
Oh, we are wrong.
Okay. Number...
Dishonor on you, dishonor on a cow.
You can put that back in there. And number 3 is way on the other side of the world over.
I say Peter Pan.
I say Pocahontas.
I say Lion King.
Dumbo.
Oh, we are so bad at guessing these.
Okay.
We are.
Number 4.
Which is where?
Way over here by number 2. Man,
Walk all the way over to the other side of the table.
our dining room light is so bright.
We can dim it.
No, that's fine.
The Incredibles 2.
We didn't get to guess that one.
2.
We didn't. No.
I was going to guess Incredibles 2.
No, you weren't.
Also.
No, you weren't.
Yes, I was.
No, you weren't.
Here's 5. Let
Liar.
me feel. 5 is
Peter
Frozen.
Pan. Peter Pan.
Oh, Robin Hood.
Robin Hood.
Oh.
Tangled.
Tangled.
Oh!
Everyone's forgotten about Robin Hood.
I have not.
And that is my all-time favorite Disney movie.
Sing the song, Maddie.
Okay.
Which one?
Any of them.
Any of them?
No,
Robin Hood and Little John running through the forest, hopping bushes, running.
Okay, copyright.
Oh, sorry.
Number 6.
Number 6.
I was the number 5.
It's Pinocchio.
It's Pinocchio.
Hey, Pinocchio.
I'm going to say Cinderella.
Okay.
Peter Pan!
I'm going to say Peter Pan. Oh,
No,
see.
We were one off.
You can't do that.
What are you talking about? I was going to say Peter Pan. You pulled it out as Peter Pan. You just didn't give me a chance.
No, you had plenty of time.
Number 7.
All the way up here. Here, I'll help you.
Yes.
I'm going to say Robin Hood.
I'm going to say Pocahontas.
I'm going to say Beauty and the Beast.
Ooh, baby.
Beauty and the Beast.
Moana.
Oh, that's a good one. I like that one. Cole's going to love these.
Yeah.
Who said we're going to
Number-
go?
Oh, we're not giving him a Cole?
No.
Okay.
Hey,
Sorry,
what do you mean
Cole.
we're not giving them to Cole?
We're not going to the goal.
You're keeping them?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Number 8.
Where's it? I'm going to say Frozen.
Okay.
I'm going to say Pete's Dragon.
Oh, I'm going to say Little Mermaid.
You have to wait till he
I
says
know.
Gosh.
Oh,
Man, I'm on a roll. Call me butter. I'm on a roll.
Okay, number 9.
Number 9. Down here.
Okay, what do you think? I'm going to say... What?
Pinocchio.
Robin Hood.
Cinderella. The Jungle
The
Book.
Jungle Book. Look for the bare necessities.
You're going to get yourself into trouble.
You're going to get copyrighted and all our...
The simple copyrights. All right, number 10. Number 10.
Fox and the Hound.
Oh, that's a good
Oliver
one.
and Company.
Robin Hood.
Pinocchio.
Oh, man, I said Pinocchio like 7 times.
I know you did. Yeah. Should have just stuck with your.
I feel like
What's
the
your
next
plan?
one's going to be like the Aristocats.
Ooh. All right, 11.
11. 11's way up
Stranger
here.
Things.
Stranger what?
Pulp Fiction.
The Black Hole. What?
The Aristocats. I'm going to say that.
I'm going to say Cinderella.
I'll say Robin Hood still.
The
Incredibles.
Incredibles.
Wow. Isn't that amazing that Incredibles 2 came out before Incredibles 1 on the calendar?
Yeah, it was number 2. It was number 4.
All right.
Number 12.
Number 12.
Down there.
Which is way down here in the corner.
Okay, what you say?
I'm going to stick with Robin Hood. I got to stick with my
Cinderella.
Robin Hood.
I'm going to go with Beauty and the Beast.
Okay.
Frozen.
Frozen.
Oh.
I meant Frozen.
That was my second guess.
Okay. And 13.
13.
I guess something by Disney.
No.
Oh, I can't say that?
Mickey
Okay.
Mouse. No.
Okay.
Toy Story.
Come on.
Toy Story. I guess Toy Story.
I'm gonna-
I already guessed Toy Story.
Toy Story 4. There.
Oh my gosh. Robin Hood.
Aladdin. I forgot about Aladdin. That's my favorite.
It's a bowling ball.
14. Right under.
Okay, 14, right there.
I'm gonna say.
I'm going to say Aristocats.
I'm gonna say Beauty and the
Ooh.
Beast.
That's a good one. You know what I'm going to guess.
Robin Hood.
Yeah.
Fiona, you know
Not this
you're
time.
not.
I'm going to say
I hate you.
Monsters, Inc. That's what I was going to
No,
say.
Monsters University.
University. I was close with Monsters, Inc. though.
Fiona, you know you're not allowed on the table, my dear.
15.
15.
Right.
Look at that. 13, 14, 15 right in a row.
Oh.
Okay, I'm gonna say Toy Story 4.
Okay.
Aristocats.
I'm going to stick with mine. Robin Hood. Or Lion King.
The Lion King.
I'm beginning to think Robin Hood's not in here, honey.
I'm kind of thinking the same thing
Neither are
too.
the Aristocats.
My gosh. All right.
Number
16.
16 right here.
I'm going to say Cinderella.
I'm gonna say Beauty and the Beast.
Okay.
Stop.
Swear to God, if this is Robin Hood.
Molly, what you
Mama,
say?
what's your guess?
Oh, Aristocats.
It is Beauty and the Beast. I was right.
Oh!
Look at that.
Even a monkey, if you gave him enough time on a typewriter, would type Shakespeare.
That's right. Even a blind squirrel finds a nut.
Even a broken clock is right twice a day.
That's right.
Hi,
My
Fifi.
goodness. 17. Where's 17?
Right up here.
Oh, look at that. Okay.
What you guess?
I'm gonna
Fox and the Hound.
I'm gonna say Robin Hood
Ooh.
still.
I'm gonna say Toy Story.
Okay.
Toy Story.
Oh!
Wow.
She is on a roll.
You are on a roll.
You might have looked at that.
I did not. I swear. I cross my heart and hope to die.
Okay.
I stick a needle in my eye.
Okay. Number 18.
Leave it.
God.
Leave it.
Okay.
Oh.
No.
Kevin's getting scolded. He just picked up some garbage out of the garbage can.
Okay. What do you think this one is?
I don't care.
Um,
Cinderella.
No.
Beauty, Sleeping Beauty.
Wreck-It Ralph.
No.
Wreck-It Ralph.
Ralph
Wreck-It
breaks
Ralph.
the internet though.
Oh, okay. All right. And number
19.
19. That's way down
Okay.
here.
Hi, Fifi.
Hi, Fiona.
I guess Frozen
How are
2.
Okay. Robin Hood.
No, wait. I changed my guess.
Come on,
Bambi.
we gotta kind of speed this up.
What'd you say?
People are gonna get bored.
I don't know.
Bambi.
Bambi.
Oh, you looked.
I did not look.
You looked.
I did not
You did.
look.
She's
You
peeking. I got it on camera of her peeking.
We're gonna have to go
There's
to
20.
the film just to see. This is
That's got to be Cinderella
Cinderella.
Later in
or Lady and the Tramp. See, it always goes with my second guess.
Okay, 21.
Sit down.
Right down here.
You stop that.
I
now.
say Cinderella.
I say Robin Hood.
I say Cinderella.
Finding
Or
Nemo.
Finding Nemo.
I forgot that movie.
God.
I didn't know that these were Pixar because
Right.
I know it's Disney.
It's Disney Pixar, yeah. All right, 22. Where is 22? Up here in the top corner. Toot toot.
Cars.
Yeah.
3.
Cars 3.
There's 3.
That was a good
Oh,
movie.
at least it wasn't Cars 2.
Yeah.
So true. That was awful.
23.
23.
Cinderella.
We have.
Robin Hood.
has to
Sleeping
be
Beauty. Cinderella.
Cinderella. Coco.
Coco. It could have all been further from what it was. Okay, and is 24 the last day in here?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, 24.
Cinderella.
Sleeping Beauty.
And Robin Hood.
Toy Story 4.
Toy Story 4.
No Cinderella?
So, no, but, you know, they got quite a few of the classics.
They might have done those the last one. You know.
Yeah, that's true, because this is the all new. I didn't even think of that.
All new content.
Yep. All right, so here they are. I'll just take a quick picture of each one of them.
Come on.
And are you going to allow the
No,
dog?
I just
You're
wanted
gonna
her-
allow Fifi to walk across the table?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
Wasn't
my God, it's bad enough that Audrey gets up there.
Give me a
Okay, so that was the Christmas Disney mini book collection. This was pretty awesome.
Down in the comments below, tell us what your favorite Disney movie is.
Yeah. What is your favorite Disney movie?
Haven't seen Aladdin?
As always, if you like what you see, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below. And we'll see you next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans? Bye, everyone!